Hello students, Sai Ram. I am Suchita Miss here and your drawing and craft teacher. Student, today's topic is bookbinding. So your online study is started. You have no textbook, no workbook, no notebook. So don't worry. I will teach you how to make notebook from unused paper in your previous notebook. Here I will teach you two method. In one method for bookbinding, I use old cover, and for second method, I use for cover tinted paper. So let us start, student. First understand how to make how you required material. So let us start. You required old papers, one book cover, old book cover, three four nails, small nails, one hammer, one newspaper, one big needle and strong thread, cutter if you want, scissor you can do, scissors, okay, and you need a Fevicol also. Here Fevicol, okay. So and color and flat brush, small flat brush for naming. So let us start. I have old books here, long book. If you want a small book, take small book. This middle part, it is use and this side unused papers. So you will cut in middle with the help of scissor or cutter. With the help of scissor you can cut the paper and bundle it properly. I have bundle here. I am taking other books from other books, so bundle it properly. And two full sheet I have kept aside, okay, two sheet, full sheet keep aside from, and let us stitch first with the needle thread. Needle and thread. First mark here, fold, first page you fold like this in middle, and again one fold, mark like this in middle point, mark here, leave a half centimeter from the corner for the side, half centimeter you leave here, keep it like this, and with the nail and hammer you hold here. Children, one more thing I want to remember here, for this part you take your parents help, don't make here alone for the whole, you take your parents help, don't do alone children, otherwise hurt you, okay. Then start. Keep the newspaper downside, okay. Then slowly with the help of hammer hold properly. Then second hole, for the second hole, and then keep it papers properly. And third hole, for the third hole, okay, like this you do with the nail. Keep it like this. Remove first middle hole. Insert the needle here from back side to upside. Leave some thread like this. Then remove second nail and insert the needle front side, from front side to down side. Second needle hole, and tight it properly. And from back side for third hole, remove the insert the needle here and do like this. And from first hole, after that you insert the needle here, tight it properly, tight like this. Turn your page and knot here tightly, children. Knot here, first knot, second knot, third knot. Okay, then cut the remaining thread. Okay, then like this you're ready. Last book cover. Okay, I am taking here. Do it properly like this, and keep your pages first and see it is proper or not. Okay, then apply a glue in middle. Spread it properly. Then keep that pages proper in middle. Then overlap the cover and do it like this, bundling proper. Okay, press it. Then take two pages to I kept outside foolscape paper. Then open that page and cover your stitching area. Apply glue there. It is for covering, children. Neat and proper. See, like this, cover your stitching part. And this part also, this cover part also you cover. Okay, then that pages, apply the glue only for corners. Don't use glue more. Apply here and little in middle also. Then cover it properly. extra part, extra pages, you afterwards you cut it. Press it neatly. See, all the covering part, hide you like this. Okay, like this you press here. Back side. All the old books like this you can scribble backside, children. So you cover like this, and stitching part also you should cover properly. Take another foolscape paper, another foolscape paper, keep on it like this properly. Do not apply more Fevicol, so you spoil your pages also. See, cover your scribbling area backside. Okay, like this you cover. Press it properly, children. Okay, see how nice hide here all the things. And extra pages you cut like this with the scissor, or you use cutter here. Small part with the scissor you cut like this. Here also big part, so you keep like this, otherwise you cut, as up to you. So bind like this and cover that part also with the glue like this. Stick here and rename here. Take another white paper, or okay, that part only cut like this, nameplate, and write their name. See, it is the first part, children. Okay, first method over. Now second method, same, I stitch the pages with the nail, proper nail, and with the help of your parents, children. And I am taking here one drawing sheet and two tinted paper. I am having tinted paper, so I use there. But you not have, then you take invitation cards paper, otherwise old magazine paper. Here 2 centimeter distance I fold like this. Take the same measurement paper, then after that fold 2 centimeter both the side. So I am taking here drawing sheet, yeah, old paper, same size, for 6 centimeter I think it is width and length on your book size only. Glue properly, apply the glue properly, and then like this middle fold, then stick it like this. For the covering area, stitching area, like this you cover. Okay, if you not having the old book cover, you can do like this, children. Proper tight cover here, overlap, press it like this. Okay, inside you press like this, children. Okay, then see the tinted paper, otherwise invitation paper, you have any magazine paper, you can cover it. Design paper also, children, like this 2 centimeter fold there, and 1 centimeter from right side. Apply the glue, leave 1 centimeter from right side, my right side here. Okay, you call that stitching side, leave 1 centimeter. Okay, then first page open like this, then cover it, and first you arrange properly. Okay, downside, upside, and then press it. Arrange properly, children. Okay, then press it like, cover your all the paper, all the book. Then inside also stick it there, 2 centimeter part. Like this you stick here, children. Take downside and press properly. Back side also same. Okay, apply the glue like this, corner only, don't take more glue, only corner, children. Leave from here 1 centimeter and apply the glue. Okay, then only one page, last page, cover it like this, insert 2 centimeter inside. But first you adjust properly, then after that you press, children. Like this, press. Like this, proper place, press here. So the book is ready now, and after that see back side also. Here you glue it, apply the glue, little glue, and press it. So see, nice book ready, notebook for written work, rough work, all the things. So now decoration time. Take white color, here dark color, so I am taking here white color, light color, any light color you can take. I am writing here my new book, and you like my subject book, Marathi subject, any subject, math, science. My new book I am written here, writing here, new book. You can draw a design, any type, new book. Any subject name you write there. Decoration up to you. With the flat brush I am doing here, direct flat brush. You can draw here, you can write there, here, any design. Complete your written work here. It's tinted paper, so it is absorbing the color here. Okay, your book is ready now. Only new word there you add, subject, any subject. This is second part, second method, and it is first method, like this old book cover and tinted paper cover. So children, complete your book cover, book binding here. So what you learned from this session: do not throw your old book papers and book bind here. So this book you can use your written work. Then Miss will give you any assignment, you can complete it at in this book, and you submit your book your class teacher also. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, student, all the your textbook, your Stotra Sudha book, you can bind like this. Keep it neat and tidy, so, and cover it properly. So today's lesson, today's slogan is: keep your book neat and tidy, save paper and save trees. Thank you children.